guys, welcome back to the channel. And dito na kami ngayon sa Punta Fuego sa Lower Beach Club. Kasama kami ni Mike. Meron launch today ng HoverAir AQUA. Shout out to Sir Sunil for inviting us for this launch. Salamat. I'm so excited about this kasi tingin ko isa to sa pinakamagandang action drone na launch na. Ito na yung 100% waterproof self-flying camera. Ayan, it's exciting. What a beautiful day, it's sunny. Ayan na siya. Medyo napaaga tayo.
Coast Guard, wanna see my whole car. Used to roll on the slow like the boy from the Lone Star. Still here, I ain't gone far. Keep it cool in the mood, gotta match my tent. Dark in the cup, I'm lit. Don't waste time contemplating what hit. It's way too many ways to get rich. Just up what my initials were. Slim sit that I can't miss alert. They got the crowd, I got the church. Open verse 2, come get the word, then hit the curve.
We're really excited for everyone to experience the world's first fully waterproof self-flying camera, the HoverAir AQUA.
Okay, we'll throw it in the water. So, currently I'm walking. It has this thing. It's following me. It's actually behind me right there. One of the first thing I noticed about this, it has a unique design. It looks pretty cool. It's amazing. Huh? It's gonna run. It's gonna run. It's gonna run. It's catching. It's catching. Let's try this one. It catches me. I'm gonna hide here. So now it still detects me. I think because of this. So even if you hide, you're still being detected. You know, this kind of drone, they fly away. If they don't see you, they go all over the place. First thing I noticed, sobrang unique ng style niya. It has a bright orange body. Kita niyo naman. Very visible siya sa water. Smart choice yon kasi this thing lands in water and of course, land, you know, mas madali siyang makita. Ganun siya. The build quality, it feels solid. It's like rubbery, some part na to. It feels purpose-built. Size niya, it's very compact. Maliit lang siya. Of course, this is 249 grams. So, sobrang travel-friendly. This is the type of a flying camera that you can actually just throw in the water. And unlike the traditional drone, the Aqua makes more like an action camera. Let's talk about the water feature. Ito yung pinaka-crazy part niya. This drone floats. And yes, full waterproof siya talaga, IP67. You can literally launch this from the water. And of course, it flips. May turtle flip recovery mode pa siya. For me, that's insane kasi ito may hydrophobic coating yung lens niya. Diba usually pag nababasa yung lens, nagkakaroon siya ng watermarks. Ito hindi. This is a drone that makes a lot of sense here in the Philippines. Kasi we are surrounded by water here. So you can take this anywhere and fly it water. I really think this is very cool. Usually, ang tubig at saka yung drones, pagkaaway yan talaga. Pagkaaway talaga yan. Marami na kaming drones na na-fly away, na nawala sa tubig. But this thing is made for water, which is really crazy. How this thing works, the Aqua works differently compared to the traditional drones. This is more autonomous. So instead na ikaw lagi nagpa-pilot, the drone follows you through this thing. It has intelligent flight modes like follow mode, orbit shots, bird's eye, and action tracking. And of course, yung may pinakita ko kanina, ito, may wearable tracker ka. The drone still tracks you properly. Actually, very useful because imagine trying to manually fly habang nag-jet ski ka. Ang hirap nun, di ba? Kailangan mo pang another shooter para to tell that person to, can you shoot me during kayaking and so sobrang easy na siya because it just follows you. Yun lang yun. Hindi na siya impossible to do a one-man team for shooting. Let's talk about the video quality. The Aqua shoots up to 4K 100 FPS. For an action drone, that footage actually looks good. Hindi siya cinema drone. Ganyan yan. Like the DJI drones. Pero that's not the purpose of this. Hindi siya yun eh. The point is perspective. This flying camera gives you a shot normally na sobrang risky gawin, especially low angle, tracking shots over water, and because the stabilization is very solid. The footage feels very immersive. Parang may sarili kang cameraman. Flight time niya, battery life, is rated around 23 minutes, pero I don't think it's 23 minutes. I think it's realistically probably around 15-20 minutes. Siyempre, it depends kung ano yung, kung hindi or very aggressive yung tracking mo. But for this kind of drone, that's very acceptable. What surprised me more is the stability. It's very stable. This drone claims level 7 wind resistance, which is impressive of course. And for something this small, diba? Ang ganda niya, ang galing niya. So water environment are usually windy, so importante talaga yon. Kasi syempre, ayaw mo ng shaky shots. One question came up to me when I was watching this and I was reading about this, and is this a gimmick camera? Nung una ko siya nakita talaga, I thought gimmick lang siya, parang okay, waterproof drone, cool. Pero nang nag-waterproof drone before hindi siya naging successful. But for me, I understood the purpose. This is creating a new category as an action drone for surfers, travelers, beach creators, adventure vloggers. This thing is actually very smart. Let's talk about the pros and cons of this. Of course, the pros are waterproof, floats on water, meron siyang intelligent tracking, super unique perspective na shots, great for action sports, and safer around water compared to traditional drones. Kung hahanap ako ng cons dito, this one is for more niche market. Compare mo sa traditional drone na you can take it everywhere, hindi nga lang siya magpa-follow sa'yo, pero this is very niche. Of course, the battery drains faster in wind. I think it's more expensive than expected. Pero it makes sense kasi yung price ito hindi ito para talaga sa lahat yun. Now, price reveal, this is 87,990 pesos as at least, and this is available at Camera House. I think the price for people will either love it or hate it. For a drone that floats, that's actually a great price. Kasi nag-iisa lang to. Kukuha tayo nito, I'm gonna have a deep review of this drone because this thing is amazing. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace.